Somewhere on a quiet city street, a plastic bottle lands in a recycling bin. It looks ordinary, but it's about to go on an extraordinary journey. First stop, collection. A recycling truck works its route, gathering bins from homes across the city. Your bottle is on board. The truck heads to a materials recovery facility, a sorting center built to handle thousands of items every hour. Inside, everything moves onto a conveyor belt. Paper, glass, metal, and plastic all travel together at first. Then optical scanners read each item, identifying the type of plastic in milliseconds. Our bottle is recognized and sorted into its own stream. Next comes cleaning. Labels are stripped. Contaminants are washed away. The bottle emerges clean, ready for transformation. The clean plastic is shredded into flakes, then melted down into a thick, flowing liquid. This is where the transformation really begins. The molten plastic is pushed through a machine, cooled, and cut into thousands of tiny pellets. These are the building blocks of something new. Those pellets are shipped to manufacturers, heated, molded, and shaped into entirely new products. Our bottle is becoming something bigger. And there it is. A park bench, strong, weather-resistant, and built to last decades. Made entirely from recycled plastic. From your bin, to this bench, right here in your city. 6 steps. Collection, sorting, cleaning, melting, pelletizing, and reuse. That's all it takes to turn a bottle into something that serves your community for years to come. So next time you finish a bottle, rinse it out, cap it, and drop it in the blue bin. Because you've seen where it goes and what it can become.